Good morning. Getting ready to head out. And I'm pretty sure I'm walking right into those clouds. So it's going to be a cool little first walk here. Hopefully no rain comes with it. We'll see how it goes. Beautiful day otherwise. I don't know if you can see it, but it looks like I'm in the clouds now a little bit. I'm kind of hanging at the top of the trees. It's pretty cool. Come back over where that spot was. Oh, pretty awesome. So I know I said I was going to step every step of the trail, but today I'm actually going to do about 6-something miles on the road to get some of these beautiful overlooks. So I'm pretty excited with that. And yeah, it's going to be amazing. This is Bacon Hollow Overlook. And yeah. Hiking with Beasley in Yukon. Hensley Hollow. See the fireflies? This is Bald-Faced Mountain Overlook. We got just after sunset, and look at these colors. Woohoo! Gorgeous. Just walking down Skyline Drive, enjoying it all. It's like you're going through a tunnel.
This is crazy.
I hope this comes out on this video. It's like we're in a whole nother world. Good morning. So last night after we got to that rocky outcrop, watched the sky go dark. Then we got a fireworks display. I couldn't get any of this on video. We got a fireworks display from probably like 5 or 6 different people in that little town underneath us. And I think that was Elkton, but I'm not positive. And then we went back onto the road and started walking some more. And, got completely dark, and then we got an amazing, I mean absolutely amazing display of fireflies lighting up the trees. It was so cool. And that happened all the way until we got to this campground we're at now. So today we're going to do trail walking. Looks like we got a couple of waysides coming up, and also an actual restaurant, I do believe. So yeah, today we're going to do about 17 or so. Yeah, I can't tell you how cool last night was. That was super exciting. I'm so glad I did what I did yesterday. I don't think I would have experienced anything like that unless I had done it that way. So, what a great experience. Happy about it. Really excited for what today brings. Seen an absolute ton of deer. We got in the campsite. I didn't have my phone with me. We got in the campsite last night. Went to the restroom, and there was a mama and 2 babies walking through the camp area. It was just... yeah, these deer out here have no fear whatsoever. So, really excited for you to see what this day will bring. Woohoo! Call this the Bear Fence Rock Scramble. You can see Yukon and Beasley Denner climbing up, and you get almost a 360. The last place I was Bear Fence Overlook a minute ago. Really crowded, small area, a lot of day hikers. Really beautiful. Oh yeah, yesterday was 25 miles. I don't think I said that earlier. Clouds are moving in on us.
Straight up that way, follow the paint.
Straight up.
You can see we got like a little arc right there of cloud, no cloud. And it starts back up again. leaving the wayside. I ate a pimento and cheese sandwich, a microwave hamburger, oh crap, what are those called? Salt and vinegar potato chips, my chocolate with chocolate chip muffin, and I think that was it. I also had a double shot of espresso can, the tall ones from Starbucks, and a Coca-Cola. So, filled up pretty well there. I'm going to go about 7.5 more miles today. I don't know if I'll make it there on time for a sunset or not. After the 25 miles yesterday, I'm pretty pooped. I've only done 8 so far. Got there, it's after 5, so we'll see. This is called Black Rock Viewpoint. It's just above the Big Meadows Lodge. Fisher Gap Overlook. What up, lady? Or dude. 7 feet away. Didn't care at all. Good morning. I don't think I said it yesterday, but we went 16.7 miles, I believe. And again, GoHooks is no longer telling me my elevation anymore, so I can't put that on there for you. Gonna hike about 1.5 miles right now down to a wayside, or actually not a wayside. I'm sorry. It's I think it's like the Shenandoah Lodge or something like that. And go eat some breakfast. So I'm pretty excited for that. Here they got really good coffee. And so yeah, 1.5 miles. I think we're going to relax for a while. And then we're going to hike in. And then the wayside with the blackberry milkshake is kind of in a weird spot for us as far as mileage goes. So it's either like we'd get there tonight and not make it in time, or we get there tomorrow and it'd be too early. So I think we're going to try to hitch into there and hitch back. So we'll see how that goes. Looks like another beautiful day on the trail. I can't tell you how many deer I've seen. It's amazing how these deer here just simply do not mind at all that the humans are around them. They'll let you get within 5-10 feet. Not a concern in their eyes at all. So strange but cool. Have not seen any bears, which everybody says you've seen the Shennies. So got about 40 more miles of Shenandoah left for them to bring us a bear. So See? So we are doing another road walk tonight. We went to Skyland. I think it's called Skyland. I can't remember what it's called. Anyway, we went there for breakfast this morning. Hung out there, took a nap. Then we actually hitchhiked up to one of the waysides. The Girls Open. And we went there for dinner. Had that, some junk food, things like that. Then we actually went and hiked up 0.7 miles, set up our stuff, hiked back down to 0.7 to the road, hitchhiked back to the beginning, and now we are going to road walk it's like 12 more miles today or something like that. So, yeah, it's going to be fun. Hopefully we get another show like we did the other day and maybe get to a spot for a sunset before it's down. So, we'll see how it goes. Very excited. This is Hazel Mountain Overlook. Pretty cool little rock setup right here. Not bad. I wonder what these orange bee looking things are. They like this guy though. Past Mountain Overlook just after sunset. Absolutely gorgeous. So we are getting ready to start our walk again on the road. It's not coming in at all. And it's pretty dark. You can see my red light a little bit. The lightning bugs are going crazy. It's going to be awesome. Pretty exciting. Hello there.
You're okay, you're okay. You're okay.
Day or night, doesn't matter.